Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must protect your system first. Create a restore point and full backup because deleting Explorer is destructive. Once done, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+S and find Explorer. exe. You will end that process to stop the shell. Do this so files are unlocked and you can work on the file. Make sure to close unsaved work before ending Explorer because your taskbar and desktop will vanish. This is intentional and temporary for the next steps. Boot into safe mode or use a Windows PE USB so protected system files are writable. This prevents automatic repair or file locks. Once in, navigate to C/Windows and C/Windows/System32 to locate Explorer, exe, and related shell DLLs. You should rename files first, add, old, or move them to an external folder so you can restore if needed. You are renaming rather than deleting outright to preserve recovery options and to avoid leaving the system unbootable. After renaming or removing Explorer components, reboot to confirm the system operates as intended. Expect missing desktop elements. If you intend to replace Explorer with another shell, update HKey local machine /software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version /WinLogin shell value accordingly, but be careful. Incorrect registry edits break logins. If anything goes wrong, restore the renamed files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.